Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness and a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I'll show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of dazzling blonde hair dye with beautiful haircut. Very attractive stylish hairstyling and many much more beautiful ideas of dazzling blonde hair dye in short hair for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hair dye in blonde. Some ideas lightly blonde and some ideas dark blonde, and so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde. And very attractive dark base color with blonde highlights. And very beautiful collection of haircut in short hair. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, choppy haircut, and latest ideas of haircut, choppy haircut and notching haircut. Collection step with undercut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some collection flick, chin length and nose length. Beautiful ideas of bang you see in this video. And very stylish ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. And so stylish ideas of spiky hairstyle. An attractive collection of messy hairstyle. Much more beautiful ideas of short hairstyle in beautiful, cute, dazzling blonde hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you know or any other thing on my channel about short hair, so share your ideas with me. I'll bring latest and new collection for you. So friend, thank you so much for watching. So friend, take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. and those around you. I hope you do it. So thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Take care and bye bye.